If you're trying to learn how to use quiz forms to segment your email list and want a fast, straight to the point guide, you're in the right place. I've tested all the most popular tools, and in this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to set up a quiz form that automatically segments your leads. Stick around till the end, because I'll also show you how to get access to an exclusive free trial of the software I recommend, only for viewers of this channel. Alright, let's get into it. The first step is defining what you want to segment. Are you splitting leads by interests, product needs, experience level, or budget? Knowing this will shape the quiz questions. Next, open the software we'll be using. From the dashboard, select Create New Quiz. Choose the multiple choice format. It's simple and it works best for segmentation. Title your quiz something engaging, like Find Your Perfect Plan or What's Your Style? Now create 3 to 5 key questions. Each one should directly relate to how you want to segment your list. For example, if you sell skincare, ask, what's your biggest skin concern? Then set each answer to tag the contact accordingly, like dry skin, acne prone, or sensitive. In the next step, connect the quiz form to your email list. Most platforms integrate directly with tools like MailChimp, ActiveCampaign, or ConvertKit. When setting up the integration, make sure the tags or custom fields from the quiz sync with your email software. This is what allows segmentation to happen automatically. Once that's done, customize the opt-in form at the end of the quiz. Ask for just the essentials, first name and email. Keep it simple to boost conversions. You can personalize the final screen with a message based on their answers. This increases trust and engagement. Before publishing, test the quiz yourself. Go through every path and make sure the correct tags or segments are applied. Double check that the right email automation gets triggered based on their answers. When you're ready, embed the quiz on your site or share the direct link. I recommend placing it on a landing page in your welcome email series, or even running paid traffic to it. So what's the key takeaway? Quiz forms don't just engage your audience. They turn curiosity into data. And if you set them up right, they'll do the heavy lifting of segmenting your email list for you, so you can send more targeted, higher converting campaigns. Here's a quick recap. 1. Decide how you want to segment. 2. Create a quiz with 3 to 5 targeted questions. 3. Tag responses inside the software. 4. Sync with your email platform. 5. Test everything before going live. If you want to follow along step by step using the same software I used in this video, grab the exclusive free trial in the description. It's only available through my channel, and it makes this process ridiculously easy. Thanks for watching. Now go segment that list.